is with regards to the Vinesh Phogat's disqualification row. Now, PT Usha has said that the hate directed at the IOA medical team, especially Dr. Pardiwala, is unacceptable and worthy of condemnation as well. PT Usha has clarified that the responsibility of weight management of athletes in sports like wrestling, weightlifting, boxing and judo is that of each individual athlete and his or her coach, and not that of the IOA appointed Chief Medical Officer. Now, Dr. Dinshaw Pardiwala and his team were being questioned for the weight management, and now this clarification has come out of PT Usha defending Dr. Pardiwala and sort of blaming it on the athlete as well as their individual coaches. We have CNN News 18's Shivani Gupta in fact joining us on the phone line. Shivani, a very good morning to you. That's utterly shocking that now Vinesh Phogat is being questioned for her weight management.
Well, the Indian Olympic Association's president, PT Usha, is right here because Vinesh has her own team, her own personal coach, her own personal physio, nutritionist and others as far as her team is concerned. They are the ones who've been working with her for many years. Dr. Pardiwala is getting a lot of condemnation or questions online by individuals because he's the one who was the face of the Indian Olympic Association as the Chief Medical Officer, and he was the one who did the press conferences on behalf of the IOA when the Vinesh Phogat episode took place. But he's not personally in charge of Vinesh's weight management. That, of course, is done by each individual athlete, the federation coaches or physios in cases where the athlete doesn't have their own personal coaches. But in today's day and world, you know, most athletes work with a particular set of team, and they are the ones who are actually managing them behind the scenes. While the national coach and coaches may be sitting next to them during the official bout, as was the case in Vinesh Phogat's case as well. So I think there is a distinction between who the Chief Medical Officer is of the entire contingent. Dr. Pardiwala is a very renowned surgeon. Most Indian athletes get their surgeries done from him. So he's very good with that as far as injury management is concerned. And that is why he's the CMO, and there are other stream of doctors with the Indian contingent. But there is a difference between the CMO of the Indian contingent and personal coaches and nutritionists and physios who are in charge of each athlete and travel with the athlete as far as big events are concerned.
All right, Shivani, thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments on that story. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more on the other side.